Now it's a question from the sets, let's deal with it. And it's a language sensitive question, so we have to read the question very carefully towards the end. Now, let's start reading. In a nationwide poll, N people were interviewed. 1/4 of them answered yes to question 1, and of those, 1/3 answered yes to question 2. So we have two kinds of population, people who answered yes to 1, who answered yes to 2 as well. That means there should be people who answered no to first and no to second as well. It's a two-set question. In two-set question, the best way forward is to make the grid. So that's what I will be making here, a grid of 2 columns and 2 rows. We have to make sure that the 2 columns get the information which have no possible intersection. So I'm writing question number 1 yes, question number 1 no, because nobody can answer question number 1 yes as well as no. And likewise question number 2 yes and question number 2 no. That's what we have here. Total population is n. That's what the question says. If 1/4 of them answered yes to question 1, so n by 4 answered yes to question number 1. That also means we can deduce that people who answered no to question 1 will be the rest of the people. That means n minus n by 4, that becomes 3 by 4 of n people. Now let's read the next line. Of those, that means of these n by 4 people, 1/3 answered yes to question 2 as well, which means 1/3 of n by 4, which becomes n over 12. So n over 12 people answered yes to question 2 as well. So that's how we have this place. We can calculate this place as well, but let's see whether it's useful or not. Now the question says, which of the following represents the number of people interviewed who did not answer yes to both the questions? A large number of my students see this statement as a problem. They misinterpret it. The question is asking people who did not answer yes to both the question, and now suddenly people start looking at this, and this is where the mistake is, because the question is not asking the value of this particular region in terms of n. The question is asking people who did not answer yes to both the questions. That means these are the people who answered yes to both. The rest of the places represent the people who did not answer yes to both the questions. These people did not answer yes to both. These people also did not answer yes to both. And these people did not answer yes to both the questions. So now, because sum of all these 4 regions is n, and this region is n by 12, so sum of the 3 remaining regions will be n minus n over 12, which becomes 11 n over 12, and hence the answer becomes option E. I hope it makes sense. The people who did not answer yes to both are the people who answered yes to one but maybe no to second, yes to second but maybe no to one, or they answered no to both. So these 3 categories will be included here, and that is why we just excluded the category of the people who answered yes to both. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. If you liked the video, then please click on the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. That really helps to make my videos reach out to a large audience. Thank you so much.